Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open YouTube Studio on your iPhone and sign in with the exact Google account tied to your channel. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and notifications so uploads and live controls work. Make sure your channel basics are set, name, verification status, and a saved thumbnail image to avoid interruptions when publishing. Now tap the bottom plus or the channel icon to access uploads. This first step gets you inside the dashboard and ready to manage content immediately. From the upload or video list, select the clip and open details to edit. Once inside, trim the start/end and pick or upload a thumbnail that represents the video. Thumbnails improve click-through. Add a clear title, a descriptive description, and relevant tags so YouTube understands your content. Make sure to choose playlist placement and audience settings, whether it's made for kids or not, then add subtitles or language metadata. These improve discoverability and compliance with platform rules. After finalizing details, choose visibility and either publish immediately or schedule a time. Use Premiere if you want live-style chat. Once published, navigate to Analytics to monitor real-time views, watch time, and audience retention. These metrics tell you what to tweak next. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Toggle Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data, sign out and back in, or compress to H.264 MP4 under a 2 GB file size. If errors persist, restart the app and retry the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.